Hello students, I am Archana Tiwari, your GK teacher of LPM Public School included in Gola Bazar. So today I am going to explain you topic first, distinct animals. In distinct animals, you have 6 types of animals are given. One by one, I will explain you each and every animal's detail. Okay, now first is what? I am the only living relatives of the giraffe in Congo, Africa. Who am I? Who am I? It is Okapi. I have striped skins as well as each pattern is as unique as a fingerprints. Who am I? Guess it? Tiger. Then third, I like to eat eucalyptus leaves and live in Australia. Who am I? That is koala bear. That is what? Koala bear. I am a slow moving rodent with sharp quills on my back. Who am I? Can you guess it? Porcupine. Who? Porcupine. Okay. Now next, I am a great ape and spend most of the time in trees. Who am I? I am a ape. Spend most times in trees. Can you guess it? Yes, orangutan. Orangutan. Now last, I am a member of the deer family. The color of my eyes turn blue in winter. I am a member of the deer family. The color of my eyes turn blue in winter. Can you guess? Who am I? Yes, reindeer. Who am? Reindeer. Okay. Now I am going to explain you each and every animals. Okay. See here. First is what? First is Okapi. First is Okapi. The Okapi also known as the forest giraffe. The Okapi also known as the forest giraffe. Congolese giraffe or zebra giraffe is an archaeologically mammals native to the Northeast Democratic Republic of the Congo in Central Africa. Although the Okapi has striped markings reminiscent of zebras, it is most closely related to the जिराफ. इट इज़ मोस्ट क्लोजली रिलेटेड टू द जिराफ. लगभग ये जिराफ से ज़्यादा क्लोज होते हैं. ओके बेटा, क्योंकि इनको क्या बोलते हैं? दे आर द लिविंग रिलेटिव्स ऑफ द जिराफ. वो क्या है? जो जिराफ होते हैं उनके लिविंग रिलेटिव्स होते हैं. डेट्स वाई कॉपी इज मोर क्लोज टू द जिराफ. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? नेक्स्ट इज टाइगर. नेक्स्ट इज टाइगर. The tiger is the largest living cat species and a member of the genus Panther. It is most recognizable for its dark vertical stripes on orange-brown fur with a lighter underside. It is an ape's predator, primarily preying on ungulates such as deer and wild boar. Clear? Tiger have a striped skins. Okay, it is also known as the genus Panther. It has a orange fur. In orange fur he have a black striped which make us orange brown furs with a lighted underside. It is an apex predator, primarily preying on the ungulates such as deer and wild boars. Now next come here, third one is what? That is, I like to eat eucalyptus leaves and live in Australia. That particular animals like to eat eucalyptus trees leaves. Eucalyptus trees leaves. He like to eat eucalyptus trees leaves. And he lives in Australia. The koala or inaccurately koala bear is an arboreal herbivorous marsupials native to Australia. It is the only extant representative of the family. Okay, Phascolarctidates and its closest living relatives are the wombats, which are members of the family. Which are members of the family Wombateidae. Wombateidae ये किसकी फैमिली के होते हैं? Wombateidae के. Now come to the next, that is porcupine. That is porcupine. See here, porcupine. I am a slow moving rodent with sharp quills on my back. उनके बैक में जो होते हैं बहुत शार्प नुकीले क्विल्स होते हैं जो कि रोडेंट्स होते हैं. That type of animals is known as porcupines. Porcupines are large rodents with coats of sharp spines or quills that protect them against predations. The term of cover two families of animals. The old world porcupine of family Hystricides and the new world porcupine of family is Anthozotidae. Porcupine जो है ये दो टर्म के फैमिली, टू टाइप ऑफ फैमिलीज को कवर करते हैं. जो पुराने वर्ल्ड के थे, ओल्ड वर्ल्ड porcupine फैमिली थे, उनको हम कहते थे हैस्ट्रीसाइड. और द न्यू पोर्क्यूपाइंस को हम क्या के फैमिली जो होती है उसको कहते हैं एर्थीजोनटाइड. Clear to this much all of you? Now come to the next, that is organton. I am a great ape and spent most of the time in trees. इस तरह ये एक ऐसे ऐप हैं जो कि अपने ज़्यादातर टाइम जो है they are most of the time they are spending on trees. This type of animal is known as organton. Organton are great apes native to Indonesia and Malaysia. Organtons कहाँ का मतलब मोस्टली कहाँ पाए जाते हैं? इंडोनेशिया एंड मलेशिया. They are found in the rainforest of Borneo and Sumatra. But during the Pleistocene, they ranged throughout Southeast Asia and South China, classified in the genus Pongo. That is, organtons were originally considered to be one species. Next is reindeer. See here, I am a member of deer family. The color of my eyes turn blue in winter. Reindeer's colors always change in winter season. It can be in blue color. It can be turned in blue color in which season? In winter season. The reindeer also known as caribous in North America. Is a species of deer with circumpolar. It is a species of deer with circumpolar distribution, native to Arctic, subarctic, tundra, boreal and mountainous region of North Europe, Siberia and North America. This includes both sedentary and migratory populations. Populations. So all these are the total. It may be there are 6 types of distinct animals. I have already explained you each and every animals clearly. So just see here again. Here first is what? Okapi. Second is tiger. Third is koala bear. Fourth is porcupine. 5 is orangutans and 6 is reindeer. Okay. See here, okapi is the relative of the giraffe. It found in Congo, that is in Africa. Tiger is where we find anyone? Tiger Okay, tiger have striped skins as well as each pattern is as a unique as finger prints. टाइगर की जो स्किन्स होती है उसके ऊपर स्ट्रिप्ड होते हैं, स्ट्रिप्ड स्किन्स होती है और वो जो है बहुत ही यूनिक फिंगर या तो फिर उनके ऊपर एक फिंगर प्रिंट्स की तरह एक यूनिक फिंगर प्रिंट्स की तरह उनके ऊपर स्पॉट्स होते हैं जिसको हम कहते हैं व्हाट वी से पैंथर, जीनियस पैंथर. What we say? Genius panther. And next is what? That is koala bear, which koala bear eats eucalyptus leaves, which lives in Australia. And then porcupine, that moving very slowly. They are moving, and they have sharp quills on their back. And then next is Organton. Organton mostly lives on where? Organton mostly spend their times in tree. They spend their most of times on tree. Then last is that is reindeer. Reindeer has a change his eyes color in winter season. Change his eye color in winter season. Okay, for today this much only. In next video I will send you the next topic. Bye all of you.